Alright, today we're back in the shop and we got something fun for the G35. Please excuse it, it's a little dirty, but I got an Apexi muffler. I found it on Marketplace for a really good deal. It's a little scratched up on the bottom, but that's the underside. It's flipped upside down right now. So today we're just going to be putting this on. It should just be unbolting the stock one, pulling it out, and putting this one on.
That look nasty to you? What's grounded on there? What the fuck?
What the fuck?
There's a ground wire to it. It's just from the exhaust of the frame?
Yeah, I guess.
No idea.
Is that flange the same size? It's really close.
Well, this pipe, there's so much gap to the edge of this one. The pipe goes all the way to the edge. You just gotta look at the distance to the bolt holes. I think that's...
Let's just get it unbolted first.
Yeah.
Can't wait to break my favorite ratchet.
Not that bad, not that bad.
Excites me.
So to get this rubber hanger disconnected, that is gonna be literally fucking impossible. There should be one over here.
You have to get like the trans jack to set this big ass thing on.
Yeah, I was thinking about that. There should be another one, but I don't see it yet.
There's one up here.
Oh.
There's two on that side?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just like the one on the ground.
Couple good scrapes.
Alright, so we got the exhaust almost fully out. The flange is unbolted. The hangers are up in some impossible spots, but I noticed that, look at it, you can just unbolt where it connects to the chassis a lot easier on each one. So we're gonna do that, drop the muffler, pull the hangers out outside of the car and put them on the new one, and just put it back in.
Last bolt. Should fall in like 2 seconds. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Drop her in some fashion. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that, folks. Look at that professional job. There we go. Let's set it right next to the new one.
This one's a lot heavier.
New. Old.
That one's upside down right now.
Cool. Now we gotta put it back in. You have to start it up with no muff, just to see that VQ noise.
It's so bad.
Not that bad. Not that bad.
That's not as loud as I thought it would be with no muffler.
Not that bad. Got the exhaust hangers swapped over. Fucking super easy trick if you use fucking channel locks and WD-40 and you just lock it up and squeeze like that and it'll just come right off. And now it's ready to go in the car.
making it really hard to get this section up here at the top. Just can't really fit the tool there. But I've got it most of the way around. I haven't really updated them on the situation, so you see it doesn't fit. So we're gonna cut it, clock it, got an extension pipe over there to extend it up, and it should fit.
Yeah.
Not the smoothest.
Well, it wasn't that bad, all things considered. That's a decent cut, you know.
Grind it smooth.
You see the vision, here to here. Not that crazy.
Will that line up? I'll wallow these holes out a little bit. All right, status update. We may not have to weld anything here. We're gonna try and get a sleeve, and we'll probably tack it.
Oh, it's gonna weld.
We're gonna weld it. We're gonna weld it. But I noticed I have an exhaust leak recently, and I found the culprit in the mid pipe to the Y pipe. One of the studs is just snapped. I never touched anything with this. That one's fine. This one snapped. You can definitely see the gap right here. I can move the gasket back and forth. So I'm drilling this stud out right now. I couldn't really get the drill onto it from this side because this is here. So I'm just gonna drill from this side and throw a bolt between it. Status update. We got full team of operations right here. Whoops. Welder's going on that little extension. Trying to pop this stud out for the exhaust leak. This is really being a bitch. And also working on the new gaskets, making custom ones myself so they can all seal.
Now it's going.
Amen. Amen, brother.
Oh, that was a good one. That was a good.
This one. So one side's almost done.
I know it's rough, guys.
Better than
It's okay.
other people's.
We're just doing some quick work. I got work later. Quick work.
Rainbow Six Siege cosplay here.
Thermite over here.
Decent. You can tell when it starts getting the air bubbles because it'll start like skipping.
Yeah.
This is how I'm viewing. I'm fucking got my hand over my eyes, but I'm looking through the camera screen.
Are you ready?
Yep.
My fingers slipped.
You still got it.
That's like the whole thing.
Us. Quick work.
Now we can flip it. But now we can flip it. I really don't need more to do on this side.
You want to do that first?
This is the hard side because of fucking all these gaps.
Should we want me to run and get the hammer and we can beat
Bang
it
her down.
Yeah, we could try.
Okay.
And
Back.
you gotta put your name on it. You better.
Roll when you need.
Closer, closer, closer.
I can hardly see.
Okay.
I backed up.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you guys saw
Third
that.
attempt, not too bad. Third time's a charm. I gotta get like, so the only reason that happened was because I keep forgetting to like keep it close. Like when I'm like doing the circles, I'm like getting
picking it
slowly
up.
further away.
And literally do exactly what you did, but just go slower. You went too fast. You see how it's got like the...
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it one more time, and then I'll let you get back to doing it. Last shot, final try here. Yeah. That's pretty solid.
Oh, yeah, that was good.
Damn, what the fuck?
It's just coming through because it's smoking through the other side.
That was pretty good. I tried to move a little slow with that one, but... I'm not gonna lie, for like first attempt, that's not too bad.
Yeah.
I'm pretty happy with that.
First time. You laid a couple beats.
Give my thermite goggles back.
Those don't work the best. Those
I was
hurt.
looking straight at that fucking... That
Those hurt my eyes. Literally do it with this. Literally do it with
I like these though. These make me
Let me use this one. I want to fucking see this.
It doesn't tighten to your head because the back strap's broke. You just gotta hold it.
Not liking it. Let me fill that a little.
Giving the hammer some sauce.
Booger weld season.
That's okay, because the exhaust is
the
now in
job
one
done.
piece.
Let me just hit a couple more spots to really make it good, and then it'll be
I'm
good.
gonna go see what's up with Ian.
Yeah, let's go check on Andy. Should almost have that stud out on the exhaust.
Where's...
Stud's out. Time to put the new pipe in.
This is
Well, not really new pipe, but modified pipe. New.
So that's all that's left of that stud.
That took a lot of drilling and a lot of hammering. Blood, sweat, and tears.
Blood, sweat, and shit. This is gonna be crazy.
Ready? Yep. Let's here we go.
Cold start.
Cold start won't wake the neighbors up, that's for damn sure.
No. Down hatch. Now, will it change how it sounds in higher RPMs and under load? That's what we need.
Yeah, we'll see.
Cold start, rev bomb.
Saw some leaves fly out.
So did I. There's definitely some shit in that. I feel like it's a little bit louder in the rev.
Yeah.
All honesty, it sounds quieter to me.
Fine.
Sounds about the same.
About the same?
So
Okay.
be it.
All right, to finish things up here, we got the exhaust on. Just filmed the sound clip for you guys. It doesn't poke out as much as I would like. I will probably down the road end up finding a solution for that. Probably just the extension pipe that Z1 sells. I'm gonna be getting a white pipe that doesn't have the flex pipes in it, but I will be getting catless test pipes that are resonated and also have the flex pipe in that. So the flex pipes will be further up closer to the motor and still be resonated, and then I will remove the resonator from the mid pipe and have that straight. Once I do all of that, I don't want this car to sound like shit. It's got some growl to it now.
What's the temp at?
Just above cold.
Whack it. It's got a nice tone to it.
It's not bad.